Good afternoon, everyone. So, you are welcome to today's short demo on how to use our app. This is called the CUDAR app from Titan Analytics. So, now this CUDAR app is used for prediction of sentiments of statements as it regards climate change. Now, on this app, four we have four pages on this app. We have the information page, we have the prediction page, we have the about Titans page, and then we have the feedback page. Now, for the information page just contains a brief storyline pertaining to how the world has evolved from what it was and the effects of man's activities on Earth, even to the steps you could take to bring our world back to its original unadulterated form. Now move on we move on to the About Titans page. This page contains the brains behind this application. We have we have Chima, we have Umar, we have Christian, and then we have myself, Daniel. So we together came together to put this beautiful app to help solve the problem of analyzing the sentiments of different statements as it pertains to climate change. Now we go on to the prediction. On this prediction page, this is where we actually offer value to our users. Now imagine a case where a user is intending to make a statement or has a speech to write and then is trying to find out the climate sentiments of the different parts of that speech. All that user needs to do is to come to the CUDA app, and on the prediction page, there is this space here where the person can put in such statements, and the user will be able to analyze the sentiment of that statement using the three models provided here in the app. So we have the SVM model, the logistic regression model, and then the decision tree model. These are models that have been trained in by using our data sets. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a statement here to see how the app works. So let's say we need to plant more trees in our environment. So we have our statement here. So we are going to try to classify using an SVM model. So yeah, the model is running. And voila, it has run. The model says that this tweet is pro climate change, supporting the belief of man-made climate change. Yeah, so that's just a brief. Yeah, now you can see the balloons. Yeah, so it's a celebration of a sentiment that cares about our Earth. And then we have the feedback page. On this feedback page, this is where we get suggestions from our users. So anyone who uses the app has an opportunity of giving suggestions on how to make the app better. So the way this page works is that there is a form to be filled. Now, once this form field takes in the email address of the user, and then the user has the opportunity of rating the app on a scale of 1 to 10, and then real suggestions can be put in here. Now, an important thing to note about this form is that every time a suggestion is submitted, it fills up a database in the background, and from this database, the creators of this app can compile and go through the different suggestions of the users who use this app. So I'm going to go ahead to put in my email at gmail.com, and then I'm going to go ahead to rate my experience using the app. So yeah, I'll rate the app a 10. So and then I'll put in a suggestion. So let's see, more images are needed. So put in the suggestion. More images are needed. So with this suggestion now, watch what happens when I click on submit your suggestions. It records in the background and the app is blank, ready to receive another suggestion. So thank you very much for being with me.